Have you ever wondered how explorers found their way across oceans, or how your phone magically tells you the fastest way to school? The secret is simple: maps and globes. Today I'm unlocking how these tools help us discover, understand, and navigate our world. So let's start with the basics. What's the difference between a map and a globe? A map is a flat drawing of Earth's surface. It shows continents, countries, cities, mountains, rivers, all at a glance. Super practical if you want to see a big area at once. But since Earth is round, a map can't show everything perfectly. That's where a globe comes in. A globe is like a mini Earth, three-dimensional, showing the true shape and size of land and water. The catch? You can only see half of it at a time. Now let's dig into different types of maps and projections. Map projections are basically ways to squish a round Earth onto flat paper. Each projection has its own superpower. The Mercator projection, for example, keeps shapes accurate but stretches out places near the poles. That's why Greenland looks massive on some maps. Then there's the Robinson projection, which balances things out, less distortion, and that's why you'll see it in your textbooks. Maps also come in different flavors. Physical maps show natural features, mountains, rivers, deserts, using colors for things like elevation. Political maps focus on borders, countries, and cities. And thematic maps? They zoom in on one topic, like where people live or climate zones. Every map has a secret language, and you need to know how to read it. First, check the title. What's this map about? Then find the compass rose. It tells you which way is north, south, east, and west. The scale shows how distances on the map match up to real life. The legend or key cracks the code for symbols and colors. And finally, the grid, lines of latitude and longitude, lets you find the exact spot you're looking for. Here's a quick tip. Next time you use Google Maps, pay attention to these details. Try finding 3 different routes from home to school, which is shortest, which passes the most neighborhoods, which would be fastest during rush hour. You're thinking like a geographer. Mapping isn't just old-school paper anymore. Digital tools like GIS and GPS have changed everything. Now, maps can show real-time traffic, weather, even where the nearest pizza place is. With a phone in your pocket, you've got the whole world at your fingertips. But maps and globes are more than just tools. They connect us to the world. They show us where things are, help us understand global events, and even help us meet people from different cultures. So, next time you open a map, remember, you're not just looking at lines and dots. You're unlocking the story of our planet. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Keep exploring, and let the maps lead the way.